So I am sharing my screen. Now, theoretically, I would actually share something else, like maybe that. This should be live as well. So this is now another streaming service that I'm connecting. Oh, there we go. You see. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So it's going live there. And I won't actually do anything over here. I will keep this on my side blocked. Okay. Well, not running. But the intention is to be able to see comments like, hi, everyone. I'm testing out at Overcloud live stream using Restream.io. Okay. If I send you, if you could actually go and so what you could do, David, is the way you could test for me is you could actually jump off and on these various things. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So right now you're on Entra.
Yep.
All right. Now, theoretically, I'm going to cancel this call. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Because we shouldn't be talking to each other. Yeah.
Yep.
All right. So I'm going to switch this off. Now, David, hopefully you can still hear me. And if you raise your hand in Entra, I can add you as a speaker. Give it a go. There's an icon to raise your hand. There we go. Okay. And no, not John, don't you raise your hand. Okay, so I'm going to add you as a speaker. Can you see me? Can you hear me, David? You will be on mute by default.
I can hear you loud and clear.
Oh, lekker. Good start. Great start. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna choose. I'm following you, and then what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to open up. I'm just gonna open up Metability.io, and okay, so let's just log that on and make that dark. There we go. And I'm gonna stop sharing, and then I'm gonna reshare to this screen so that you should be seeing Metability, David.
Yes, I am.
All right. Not a bad start. So I think how does the audio sound? How does the screen sharing and everything feel to you right now?
No, it's good, eh?
Okay.
Very good.
Okay. Now, the thing is, I should be sharing. Okay, so in Restream, I should be sharing the Entra. Yeah, I should be sharing this screen. All right. So basically what I'm doing is Restream is streaming to my YouTube channel and it's streaming to Overcloud. Then Entra is running its own sort of thing because it's its own webinar service. Now both of them are sharing my main screen. So both on YouTube and on Join Entra, you should be seeing Metability and being able to hear me. David, can I ask you a favor? Will you jump off of Entra and then go to my Web3 Simplified channel? There should be a live stream there that you can join.
On YouTube?
Yeah. Can I send you the link to my YouTube channel?
Yes, I've got that. There we go. Test Restream, yeah.
Okay, so now what's going to happen is you're going to jump off of Entra, but obviously when you join the YouTube channel, you are not you won't be able to speak to me, but rather just chat to me. Okay.
I'm looking at YouTube, and I can see you, and I can also hear myself talking YouTube as I'm talking on Entra.
Okay, which is expected, right?
Yeah.
Because now you're running, and I see Manuel is he's actually testing. Manuel's already testing the YouTube channel. Okay. So over cloud. So the last, it seems like everything's working over there. So this means that I could run this. I could record this on Entra. I can record this on Restream, and I can interact with everyone on Entra. I can interact with
That's
everyone
amazing.
on YouTube, and I can interact with everyone on Overcloud.
That's insane.
It's a little bit crazy, but I think so. For example, here's Marco. Marco on Entra, how you doing? Listen, I'm just doing a couple of tests with a few of my colleagues, and you're welcome to jump in and join as well. But what we're doing, I don't know if you heard that, but what we're doing over here is we're just trying to see if we can stream to multiple platforms so that everyone can gain the benefit of like a webinar or a live coding session or something that I want to do on my site, so that it's not just limited to one platform. And you responded great. So I think the one problem over here is, in order for me to see, actually, that's not the worst idea. I can move this here. You can still see Metability, David?
Yes.
Okay. So what I can do on my side is I can actually, I've got the chat. Okay, so I've actually got the Entra chat and I've got the Overcloud chat on my one screen. And I'm able to see both chats. And I'm able to interact with both chats and still and actually see what I'm doing on Entra and still screen share. So for example, okay, David, the one thing I want to test quickly, where are you looking on Entra now or on YouTube? Both. Okay, awesome. Let me just, I think Manuel's here somewhere. Okay, so Manuel's also on. I don't know if he's still on, but if you can hear me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change I'm going to actually go into one of these items. I'm going to go into the MetaMask challenge. Okay. When I do that, I'm going to say now. And what I need you to do is I need you to prompt the moment you see the change on your side.
Okay.
This is to test the latency on the screen sharing. All right. So 3, 2, 1, now.
Done.
Okay. That's about 2 or 3 seconds. That's not bad at all. It's not even 2. I think it was less than 2 seconds. So that's actually where was that on Entra or YouTube?
This is Entra.
Okay, so
YouTube is a little bit. I don't see your screen sharing on YouTube.
What do you see on YouTube?
Only your camera.
Is it because I haven't got the right screen here? Hold on a second. It might be me. So, oh, I'm in the wrong place here. Hold on. All right. So maybe it's a setting on my side that's saying that even though I think I'm screen sharing, I'm not showing that I'm screen sharing. And that's a good point.
Yeah, so I'm seeing your screen sharing on Entra, but not on YouTube.
So it's showing over here that it says here scope streams. So what I need to do, oh wait, do you see it now?
Give it a second or two. Yes, there we go. The quality on YouTube is not as good as in Entra though.
Okay.
The resolution is quite low.
Okay, so I'll be able to see that. I'll be able to see that.
Yeah.
But the audio, does it sound fine?
Let me turn off audio in Entra and turn it off in YouTube. It was fine earlier.
Marco, you are welcome to stay here. You're welcome to throw questions our way. You must forgive us. We're going to we jump in between multiple platforms, so I might not just see your message, but by all means, stay and have fun. and throw some questions your way if you want to know what's going on. All right, so I see Brightside gave me a tip on this live stream here.
So sound is good on YouTube, John. Nothing wrong with that.
Okay, so the sound is good. That's good news. And but you say if you're now looking at my screen, the quality of the, is there a way for you to go and see what is it outputting?
Let's check. Okay, so I've just adjusted I've just checked updated the quality on my side, and now it's doing it in 720, which is good.
Is it looking good?
Yeah, I know it's fine on 720. Hey.
Okay, that's good news. Okay,
Very
that's
good.
great news.
No issues.
So, because what happened, I see on Restream, I need to upgrade to the major package if I want to stream 1080p. But for now,
for 720 is fine, John.
Cool. All right.
Very nice.
Okay, so it looks like this is all working. I'm going to see now because I'm actually recording in two places as well. Entra's automatically recording my session, and Restream is recording the session as well. Now,
that's amazing.
There's one more test of it. Okay, Manuel says that his was already on 720. That's why he kept on giving positive feedback on his YouTube experience. Thanks, Manis. So now, David, the last one that I want to test is Overcloud. I'm going to send you a link. I think this link will take you straight to it. All right, so I'm going to go back to the home screen. My one possible issue is that I would need to manage 3 chats. YouTube gives me a lot of crazy options, though. So like when Manuel, I don't know if you, Manis, if you're still on, I'm actually going to show your message on the screen. And then I'm going to hide it. This is your Hall of Fame moment there. And there's just all kinds of crazy stuff I can do. I can change backgrounds. I can write my own captions like testing. And this is test.
So on Overcloud, if I'm loading it, strange, it sort of loads, but then it disappears if I just use that link.
Is it? Okay. David, what you can do is go to Overcloud directly, okay? Just go to overcloud.com.
Yep.
Then once you logged in with your DSO, on top, next to Discover, you should see live streams.
Yes.
And then you should be seeing my stream happening on top.
Yes.
All right. It should be called testingrestream.io. And you would be able to join that without any additional privileges or anything like that. I think the actual developer of Overcloud is, I wouldn't say he's on the chat, but he might be monitoring it.
Sure, it's strange. I just see a blank screen on Overcloud. Then it's almost like it's busy loading still, but it's not.
And you're using Chrome, eh?
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to try something here. It's okay. So it is working on my side. I can actually show you if you want. It might do some sort of tunneling, weird tunnel thing.
Okay.
But now, yes, what worries me. Now, this is when I look at the stream. I don't know if Brightside is there. What's cool, David, is you see this over here. This works very sim. Oh, can you see my screen?
Yes.
So this chat over here, this is actually feeds occurring on DISO at the moment. So if I go to and I refresh, go to Diamond and I go to my profile on Diamond, then so here's the watch my live stream. And then against this live stream main topic, if I go inside there, then all the comments are occurring over here.
It's inside.
It's awesome, eh? And then whenever someone tips me or sends me money or whatever, it shows over here on Overcloud. Like that, this is where the developer sent me a tip over here, and then it shows that. So, but what worries me is there is a pretty hefty delay on Overcloud. It's because like it's about 15-20 second delay on Overcloud, whereas on YouTube it's about 2 or 3 second delay, or not even 2 seconds delay. So I might have to just chat to the guys about that. I don't know if it's maybe something small, but it just means that people on Overcloud, they're gonna, whatever I'm doing, they're only going to be able to see about 20 to 30 seconds later. And if they're asking questions, I'll only be able to respond in about 20 to 30 seconds later.
Okay.
But I think that's it. I don't think I have to test anything else.
That's awesome.
I'll stop all of these and then I'll actually go and test all of these recordings, because Overcloud also records the session and then it allows you to grab it.
Sure. That's awesome, man.
Yeah, it's cool. So thanks, David. Thanks so much for your help. Manis,
cool.
where are you?
Cool.
Where's Manis? Is he still here? And then just is on as well. Oh, there we go. I'm going to share this. Do you see that message from Manis? All right. Manuel and I see just who's just is that Elza?
I don't know.
Or is that you, David?
No, it's probably Manuel.
Oh, it was Jeandre.
Huh?
Okay, cool. So Jeandre was also on testing. So that's very cool. Yeah, thanks everyone. I know we had someone in Entra as well. Let me just check here.
And I see there's also a notification that came up on YouTube about your live stream on Bleeding Code.
What happened?
There was also a notification on YouTube about your live stream in Bleeding Code as well as Web3 Simplified.
No ways. You serious? I didn't know I did that.
I'm now looking at it on Web3 on Bleeding Code as well.
Oh, that's why. Oh, crikey. Okay. All right. Well, to my Bleeding Code people, welcome. Well, it's actually good because my my live coding sessions are going to happen through the Bleeding Code channel. So, okay, so I've been streaming to three channels, and as well as join Entra. So I think this was a pretty successful test run, and I will go and yeah, I will go and check the recordings and check the quality of everything and make some adjustments. But other than that means that I'm pretty good for next week's live stream.
Well done. Well done. I can definitely say with confidence, the people who developed this platform did not battle with high school math.
The Restream.
Yes.
Yeah. And they boast about 48 different channels, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all live at the same time.
Yeah.
They in fact, they allow you to join other live streams. They allow you to sync live streams so that other people, it will look as if it's theirs, but it's actually syncing with yours. So you're doing joint live streams together.
That's crazy, man.
So this
it
is
was like yesterday when people got excited about getting IBM Same Time up and running.
Marco. Yeah,
this
thanks,
is
Marco.
great. Well done.
Yeah, thanks, Marco, for checking this out. I think I'm going to sign off here, and I wish everyone an awesome Friday. But yeah, Marco, you must stick around if you're not following me on Entra or I'm on Entra as well as on DSO. If just ping me over there, and I'll definitely reach out to you. And then next week I'm going to be doing a pretty fun live stream. So yeah, stick around for that. And thanks again for helping us out here. Thanks, Manny's. Thanks, Jandre. Thanks, Mr. David. And player one Taco, I don't know if I think he joined and then he left because he had some sort of 16-hour drive. But it was nice for him to just jump on and say, how's it? He's a blockchain developer. That's all I know right now. I chatted to him for a few minutes in one of the previous live streams. Okay, everyone.
Awesome sauce.
Thanks again and have a wonderful Friday.
Cheers, John. Have a good weekend, man.
Cheers. Bye-bye. Now I've got to see which ones I'm going to stop first.